Hello students, today we will start the fifth lesson of science, that is birds, beaks and claws. So you all know what is beak. Beak birds की चोंच को कहते हैं and claws are the nails that are present on their feet. So उनके पंजों को हम claws कहते हैं. In class 3rd we have already learned about birds, their special features and nesting habits. So क्लास 3rd में हमने बर्ड्स के स्पेशल फीचर्स के बारे में पढ़ा था that help them to fly. And do you remember those special features? Yes, those are the birds have hollow bones which makes their body light. The first thing is जो बर्ड्स होते हैं उनकी जो बोन्स होती है वो अंदर से हॉलो होती है. हॉलो मीन्स खोखली होती है, जो उनकी बॉडी को बहुत लाइट बना देती है, हल्का बना देती है, और जिसकी वजह से वो इजीली फ्लाई कर पाते हैं, अपनी बॉडी को विंग्स की हेल्प से उड़ा सकते हैं, बिकॉज हैवी बॉडी इज नॉट एबल टू फ्लाई. Second is your wings that are made up of light feathers. So जो feathers होते हैं वो बहुत ही हल्के होते हैं और जो उनके wings में present होते हैं. And the third feature of birds is their body is pointed, sharp and boat shaped. जो उनकी बॉडी होती है वो पॉइंटेड होती है, शार्प होती है और बोट शेप्ड होती है, जिसकी वजह से वो फ्लाई कर पाते हैं. सो दीज आर सम स्पेशल फीचर्स ऑफ द बर्ड्स दैट help them to fly and that we have studied in class 3rd. And we have also learned about their nesting habits. We all know that different types of birds makes different types of nests. अलग अलग तरह के नेस्ट बनाते हैं अलग अलग तरह के बर्ड्स अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर रिक्वायरमेंट. बट इन दिस क्लास वी विल लर्न अबाउट देयर फीडिंग हैबिट्स. फीडिंग हैबिट्स मीन्स वो क्या खाते हैं, कैसे खाते हैं. सो दैट इज अवर द फीडिंग हैबिट्स. Birds, like other living beings, need food, but they do not have teeth to eat the food. So you all know that all living organisms need food to live. Why? Because food gives us energy. And energy के बिना हम कोई भी काम नहीं कर सकते. And it also keeps us healthy. But the question is that birds do not have teeth, then how they eat the food? They use their beaks and claws to catch and eat food. So they have beaks instead of teeth. And with the help of their beaks and claws, the birds catch and eat their food. The beaks of the birds are very strong and hard, और जिसकी वजह से वो उसमें अपने फूड को उससे कैच भी कर सकते हैं और खाते भी हैं. They also use their beaks and claws to protect themselves from their enemies. As I have already told you that their beaks are very strong and hard, so they can fight with their beaks and claws and they protect themselves from their enemies. और जो उनके beaks और claws होते हैं इनकी हेल्प से वो अब enemies से फाइट भी कर सकते हैं और अपने फूड को कैच भी करते हैं और खाते भी हैं. You can see here the pictures of some birds eating the greens, and they eat their food with the help of their beaks. You can see here in the picture. Now here is an activity. In this activity, you have to visit your neighborhood areas and observe different birds on trees, in water, on the ground, and in the bushes. So, you all have seen the birds, and you all know that where we can find the birds. So, now identify some common birds and observe the kind of food they eat. तो आपने क्या करना है कि बर्ड्स को ऑब्जर्व करना है एंड आपने देखना है कि वो क्या खाते हैं, किस टाइप का खाना खाते हैं, बिकॉज all the birds don't eat the same type of food. As in animals, some animals eat flesh, some eat only grass, and some eat both meat and grass. So in the same way, birds also eat different types of food. So on the basis of your observations, complete the given table. So जो भी आप ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, और आपने पहले भी ऑब्जर्व किया होगा different types of birds को कि वो क्या खाते हैं, so that you have to fill in this table. So first of all, you have to write the name of the bird that you have seen, and then place where you saw it. For example, if you have seen the crow, then write down crow, then place where you saw it, on the tree, in the bushes, or wherever you see, on the terrace, जहाँ भी आपने उसको देखा है, write down that place and the food it ate, वो क्या खा रहा था, क्या खाता है, that you have to write. For example, crow, suppose you have seen the crow eating chapati, so write down here that crow eat chapati. Suppose you have seen a sparrow, and then write down the place where you saw it, in the garden, on the terrace, on the tree, so anywhere where you have seen. Then write down the type of food it ate. वो किस टाइप का फूड खाता है. So you can write grains or whatever, insects, whatever it is, it ate. So in this way you have to fill this table about the different birds. Now, like other animals, some birds eat flesh, some eat seeds, and some eat fruits, roti, etc. That as I have already told you, that different birds eat different food. Now the type of a bird's beak and claws are related to the type of food it eat. So you must have observed that different types of birds have different types of beaks and claws. You must have seen the parrot, pigeon, sparrow, that all have different types of beaks. You must have seen the beak of a parrot. It is long and curved shaped, but the beak of the pigeon is small. So the beaks of different birds are different in shape, and their claws are also different shape. So the type of bird's beaks and claws is related to the type of food it eat. As in animals also, the type of teeth present in the mouth depends on the type of food they eat. For example, the carnivorous animals like lion, tiger, and dog, so they have different types of teeth as compared to the animals that eat grass or that feed on the plants. जो प्लांट्स खाते हैं और जो मीट खाते हैं, उन एनिमल्स के जो टीथ होते हैं वो डिफरेंट टाइप्स के होते हैं. सो सिमिलरली बर्ड्स जो डिफरेंट टाइप्स का फूड खाते हैं उनके बीक्स एंड क्लॉज भी डिफरेंट टाइप के होते हैं. So in this chapter, we will learn more about the beaks and claws. So, beaks. Birds do not have teeth, that we have already discussed. They use their beaks to tear, bite, chisel, or crush the food. So, this is the function of the beak. That they use their beaks to tear, bite, chisel, and crush the food. The shape of the beak is according to the food habit of the bird. कि बर्ड क्या खाना खाता है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है बीक की शेप. Some birds use their beak to fight the enemy or catch the prey. So जो birds होते हैं, as we have already discussed, they use their beak to fight the enemy or to catch the prey. They also use it for preening their feathers. Now, what is the preening of feather? That we have already learned in class 3rd also. Preening means to clean the feather and set them right. You must have seen the bird cleaning their feathers. जो बर्ड्स होते हैं वो अपनी बीक से, चोंच से अपने feathers को साफ करते रहते हैं और वो उनको सेट करके रखते हैं प्रॉपर वे में. The birds spread the wax secreted at the base of the feathers during this process. और जब वो अपने बीक्स को क्लीन करते हैं तो उनके बेस में से फेदर्स जो होते हैं, फेदर के बेस में से वैक्स निकलता है जो उसके पूरे फेदर्स पे स्प्रेड हो जाता है और जिससे उनके फेदर्स में शाइन भी आती है और वो क्लीन भी रहते हैं. So that is the preening of feathers. So we have discussed about the beaks and the claws, their functions. Now in next video we will discuss and learn about the types of beaks, different types of beaks of birds. Thank you.